If being close to nature is very important to you when living in Canmore, my latest listing at Crossbow ticks all the boxes. We're located on the second floor today in a south-facing 2-bed, 2-bath unit with incredible views of Three Sisters. So we've got 940 square feet in this condo. We've got some beautiful natural light coming in through these windows, and you're gonna get sun all day long here. And we've got the balcony that's south-facing, so you can sit on this balcony all day and soak in the sun. It's covered so you can get out of the sun if it gets too hot, but it's a perfect place to just sit and take in those mountain views of Three Sisters, Ship's Prow, Mount Lawrence Grassy, and when you turn your head a little bit further, you can even see Howling. So this kitchen is huge. You've got lots and lots of cabinet space. It's perfect actually in this kind of apartment. It's one of the bigger kitchens I've seen. You can seat at least 6 people on the eating bar here, and it looks out over the living space, so it's perfect for when you're entertaining your friends and family. So rounding out this floor plan, we've got 2 bedrooms. The first just off to my right could be either an office or a bedroom and has, again, great mountain views right to Three Sisters. We've got a 3-piece washroom that services that bedroom. And then right behind me here, we have the large primary suite, again with mountain views, a large walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom. So not only does your unit come with underground parking and an underground storage, it comes with this incredible amenity building where you can hang out, play table tennis or pool. Downstairs, there is just an amazing gym with an indoor hot tub, and then outdoors, just over my shoulder here to my left, is the outdoor hot tub with some great mountain views. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or you would like your own private viewing of this property, my contact information is just below. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.